Hello everyone and welcome to a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree slash Little from Western Beef slash Dollar General. They picked up these bulbs which are already in the lamps. That's by Sunbeam. These are LED energy saving bulbs, 60 watts, 2-pack. I got these clips. There's 10 of them here. It's very useful. Always come in handy. Got a couple of these super bright LED desk lamps. They had these bags. Has a clip inside. Oops. Snap. It's hard. And this is by Juncture. They had black, tan, and a mauvey pink. And I took black. Most of my wardrobe is black. Picked up a mirror. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is. These sort of clips also. The other one was a 10-pack. This is a six piece. Picked up this wooden plaque. And by Carpenter Square, these metal words. And this contains thankful, harvest, and welcome. Picked this up by Luminescence. And the scent of this is Lavender Fields. It's a scented potpourri. It's a lovely mix. Really nice. I picked up more than one of that. It's potpourri. Whichever scents I get, I always pick up more than one. And also by Luminescence, Lemon Zest and Thyme. Scented potpourri. Okay, also by Juncture Women's. Picked up this headband. I like the stitching on it. Oh, picked up a couple of these, a few of these. And this is by Floral Garden. It's 9 feet. It's berry garland. Picked up like 4 or 6 of those. Somewhere in here. Picked up a couple of these. It's by Floral Garden. It's 7.5 feet. And it's wired jute cord. It's wired. Yep. It's jute cord, but it's wired. Pick these up. And these say breadboard. Yeah, they all do. In Spanish, tabla de pan. I just call it a cutting board. Well, picked up a few of these also. Oh, and it's about time. Picked up another one. Well, a few more of these. Picked up another silver one. One of the trays. A charger, excuse me, charger plates. Picked that up in silver. And this one I had never seen before. It's not like ordinary gold, but it's beautiful. I like it. Picked up a couple of those. And the gold one is on top of the dining room table because I purchased that a while ago. Okay. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. Okay. And of course, let it be known that I walked past the hair section and not picked something up. And this is by the Sparkle Shop. It's a barrette. Oh, picked up 3 of this shape. 3 of it. And this one, I had used. It's the infinity symbol. And you see it? It's a clip. It's a barrette. Oops, wrong way. There you go. And this crescent moon. They only had one crescent moon and one infinity, or I would have picked up more. Trust and believe. Okay. Oops. This is good for tablets. I think it says so on here, doesn't it? Purse or crossbody bag. This is crossbody, really? Button clasp closure. Fits most cell phones and tablets. Yep. That's this bag. In case you guys see it at your Dollar Tree. A juncture. At least in the Dollar Tree in Gun Hill Road, they had, like I stated, black, a tan, and a mauvey pink. So that was it for Dollar Tree. And now, okay, hold on. All right. Now we have Western beef. My husband asked me to pick up his favorite cereal, and it's Honey Bunches of Oats Vanilla. So they were having a sale on that. And it was regular price $5.19, and they charged $4.99. And I put this over here because it's like I had this in the fridge where I keep them. And this is Goya reduced fat coconut milk, 33% less fat. It sweats once you take it out. And this is Coco Goya cream of coconut. And I like it when they pull tabs like that. Really nice. What should I pay for that? $1.49. And the Domino sugar. And that was from Western Beef. Now from Dollar General, I picked up Gentle Steps 40 wipes. This is fragrance free, which I prefer. So I don't like perfumey things on my face. The wipes was $1 from Dollar General. The Special K was on sale for $3.25. So this was the better buy. And it was Dollar General. And then I stopped by a local beauty supply store. I was browsing and I saw this. And I just couldn't leave it there. $1.99. It's a foundation brush. Bella Beauty. And it feels really nice. I took it out. It's really nice. It's synthetic, but a nice synthetic. And so that's it. That's it for my Dollar Tree, Western Beef, Dollar General, and one thing from the beauty supply store. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, and share if you like. And until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.